Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So we have one of the questions here, and the direction says that identify the grammatically incorrect part of the following sentence or part of it, and mark the corresponding alphabet as an answer, isn't it? So that's what is given the direction. Let's see that what is this statement is all about. The statement said here, the first statement, effective communication is crucial part of providing relevant healthcare. Medical professionals that understand consumer behavior but marketing strategies can understand needs, communicate the right value proposition and improve patient satisfied and loyalty. So before you go to the answer, my suggestion would be what? You just read the direction, and on the basis of the direction, understand what has been asked and what you're supposed to draw. So if we observe that the direction says that identify the grammatically incorrect part of the following sentence. It means if you look into that, this A, B, C, D, E are nothing but uh, accumulating one of the short paragraph having with a couple of sentences. Now that has been segregated into five different parts of the sentence or sentences, isn't it? So we need to identify which of the part of the sentence or sentences uh, is or are grammatically incorrect. It means there could be some part which is not having with grammatical incorrect, isn't it? Now let's see that. So here you would find out you need to observe all those things while you are grammatically correcting the sentence. What are the things you're supposed to see? First, you read the sentences. So get the idea, means you need to understand what is the subject in a sentence. So what the subject and verb agreement is all about, and what kind of a tense it presents, and you also need to observe means a singular plural, right? That comes under subject verb agreement all again. So and the third thing is called as when you are going through the sentences, you need to observe each and every parts of speech. You must have a good knowledge of parts of speech. Like, let's see that how I'm solving this particular question types. Uh, the first sentence said, effective communication is crucial part of providing relevant healthcare. Now, this is the means complete sentence which have been pointed. So, if you look into that, it is stated effective communication, which is known as a subject of the sentence, isn't it? It is a subject of the sentence. Now, as it is a subject of the sentence, so what happened means the subject of the sentence is a singular one, isn't it? The subject of the sentence is a singular one. So, therefore, the verb it is provided here is called as each. Fine. Effective communication. So you are not saying effective communications, right? So effective communication is crucial part of providing relevant healthcare. Now, if you observe that here it is stated crucial part. Now, what is crucial part? Now, the crucial part is referring to effective communication. So, which is nothing but taken as the complement to the subject. So, in that case, this crucial part would be referred as a what? Means referred as a effective communication is what? A crucial part. A crucial part of providing relevant healthcare. So, in that case, we need to write here the word which is called as a crucial part. It means we need to add article here, isn't it? We need to add what? Article A. So it means it is called as effective communication is a crucial part of providing relevant healthcare. So that would be the error in option A. That's what we find out because crucial part of providing relevant healthcare is a compound noun, right? So therefore we can consider, and it is in a predicative section. So therefore, it should carry with the a article, right? So we can't use the here, means there is a definite article. We are not telling about the particular effective communication. We are saying that any effective communication is a crucial part, right? So, crucial part of providing relevant healthcare. Now, after that, if you see providing relevant healthcare, any other error you find out providing relevant healthcare? No, no error are no error is found in option B. So we can say that a crucial part of providing relevant healthcare would be a compound uh, noun or noun phrase, you can say. So next stage called as a medical, fine. So medical professional. So we find out that in option B we don't find any error. So in that case it is correct and option A is wrong. So A would be the incorrect sentence. Now see, professionals that understand consumer. So which professional? The medical professionals. It means they are the people. In that case, we need to put what? Who instead of that, isn't it? We need to put what? Uh, um, who instead of that. So in that case, we need to add here who, because who understand consumer behavior? It's nothing but the medical professional. So therefore, who should be used instead of that. So who is a relative pronoun, and that is too also relative pronoun, but that is used when you are talking about neuter gender or any clause whom you directed or whom you relate, right? Or that you what you relate. In that case, we need to use that neuter gender. Let's say that child. Let's say that dog. Let's say that doctor, not even doctor, you can say that uh, any object also that can be used with that. Besides that also you use any of the clause like whatever you say that is true, right? Or it is that what you say, right or not? So in that case that is generally used with the clause and that is used means relate to the neuter gender. Who is generally used with the people, person, right? Whether it is a who or whom, they are used with the means of people or person means or maybe any proper noun refer to any person or maybe any common noun refer to means of any gender, isn't it? That may be male or female. So who is used with that? So hope you understand. So therefore we consider option C is another error. So AC. Next is called as a medical professionals that understand consumer behavior, but marketing strategy can understand needs. Right. Now, what can understand needs? But marketing strategy can understand needs. No, it should be what? Medical professionals who understand consumer behavior and marketing strategies. So consumer behavior and marketing strategy, right? So can understand needs. So in that case, you can talk about instead of but, we supposed to use means and. Why? Because and suggests a similar idea or adding to the same idea. So, whereas Bert is making a contrast, and we don't find out any contrast or any approach that has been given in this, right? So, in that case, we can say medical professionals who understand consumer behavior and marketing strategies, so can understand needs, isn't it? So, in that case, and should be in place of but. So you find out another error in the sentence that's called a jati, right? So we could say that it would be A, C, D, right? Three errors. Let's look at the option three, option E. What has it pointed? It says that communicate the right value preposition. Preposition, if you see that understand needs and communicate the right value proposition and improve patient satisfied and loyalty. Now you could see that there is a error in a means contained word which could be called as a preposition. I think it's a preposition is a means a grammatical one of the parts of speech, isn't it? So preposition, which is nothing but a in, on, at, under, beside. Yes, sir. These are the words can be called as a prepositions, isn't it? They generally connect noun to noun. Let's say that the glass is on the table. So where the glass is on the table. So here the glass and the table have been connected on the basis of the prepositional word that called as on. But here it doesn't fit into the sentence. It says communicate the right value preposition. And so it should be what? Excuse me. So it should be communicate the right value proposition. So that would be the correct word proposition. So if you talk about proposition, what is that? Proposition is a statement, right? Okay. So proposition. Proposition. Yeah. So proposition is known as a means a statement or an idea which is presented. Let's say that means man is a mortal. So he gives the proposition that man is a mortal. So in that case, you can consider uh, his statement might come wrong or right, but he has given a statement, isn't it? So instead of preposition, we should use mm, proposition. So preposition and proposition can be heard like a means homophones, isn't it? Homophones, same sounds, but different spellings, different meaning. So in that case, the correction in the sentence should become marketing strategists are called as medical professionals that understand consumer behavior, but and marketing strategists can understand needs, communicate the right value propositions, or communicate right value ideas, isn't it? So in that case, you would find out one of the error you find out in option E. But look at the other part of the sentence and improve patient satisfied and loyalty. Now, loyalty is a noun, uh, but what about this satisfied? So, satisfied is not that noun. It should be made as a what? It should be made as a means you can say that satisfaction. That would be the correction, isn't it? So, if I talk about that, in that case, we supposed to use satisfaction instead of satisfied, uh, because the word satisfied is a verb, isn't it, or used as an adjective, whereas satisfaction shows the noun. And here we are talking about what? Communicate the right value proposition and improve what? Patience, satisfaction, and loyalty. So, satisfaction and loyalty belong to patient. So, are called as improve patient's satisfaction and loyalty. Instead of saying satisfied, we are supposed to use satisfaction. So, we also find out error in option E, right? So, if you make the sentences correct, you would say that effective communication is a crucial part of providing relevant healthcare. Medical professionals who understand consumer behavior and marketing strategies can understand needs. So, communicate the right value proposition and improve patient satisfaction and loyalty. So, if you see that, can understand needs, can communicate the right value proposition, and improve patient satisfaction and loyalty. So, this would be the considering as a correct answer. So, in that case, what are the grammatical error we find out? Option A, so B is a correct one, C, option D, and option E. In that case, A, C, D, E would be the incorrect sentences, and B would be the means correct one. So, which option will be taken here? Option A can be the appropriate answer to this, isn't it? So, what we can find out here? Option A. So, I hope you understood this. Option A, the correct answer. A, C, D, E. B, C, D cannot, because B is a correct one. So that's why it cannot be. Even it also misses with A and E. Only B would be the correct sentence, but not the incorrect one. A, B, C, again, it cannot be. So the idea should be option A. I hope you understood the grammatical error question. So hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.